Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to book flexible dates on Google Flights. First, all you need to do is to type on the search bar the word Google Flights and click the first link. And now from this page, all you need to do is to select a specific location where you want the departure and where it will be landed. For example, I'm going to choose here onto the Europe, and now we can choose the date for the departure. We can select, for example, a July 1st, and for the return is a flexible date of July 5th, and then click on Done. After that, click on Explore and wait for it to load. Now, we can see different kind of flights that is available from the departure of June 1 and a return onto the July 5. For here, we have a Paris, London, Rome, and many more. All you need to do is to select a specific one flight, and now from there, you can click on View Flights and wait for it to load. You can see the price history, and also the location and the dates. Then after that, you can book a specific flights by selecting it on to its specific site. And that's it. That's how to book flexible dates on Google Flights. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.